Okay students, I hope you are all well and healthy and ready to learn a new things. So my name is Palak Patel. I am working in the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education, a research center Navsari in Civil Engineering Department. I am going to teach you the subject is design of reinforced concrete structure. In this subject we are going to learn design of water tank. So first of all we have to learn on the ground water tank. We covered rectangular water tank in the previous lecture, and in this lecture we are going to learn circular water tank on the ground design. Okay. In the circular water tank we have two types of design: sliding base water tank and a rigid base water tank. Sliding base and rigid base difference we understood in the previous lecture, and as well as we learn a sliding base water tank design. Now in this lecture we are going to learn rigid base water tank design. Here is an example. Design a circular tank resting on the ground for a capacity 50,000 liters. 50,000 liter. Depth of tank may be 4 meter. Assume that the joint between wall and base slab is rigid and approximate method may be used for the analysis. Use M25 grade of concrete and Fe 415 grade of steel. Right? Now we are going to design the water tank. So here is the solution. First we have to understand capacity of tank is given is 50,000 liters. So 50 meter cube is volume of the water tank. For a capacity of tank up to minimum grade of concrete may be taken as M25. For the design of water tank we will take minimum grade of concrete is M25. Minimum grade. We cannot take M20 grade of concrete or M15 grade of concrete. We have to take for the M25 grade of concrete for the design of water tank. Minimum M25. Okay. This is given in a code number IS 3370 part 1 2019 table 1. Now there is an example is given in depth of tank is 4 meter. Depth of tank is 4 meter. So we have to find out diameter. So pi by 4 d square 4 into 50. So d is equal to say 4 meter. So diameter of water tank is 4 meter. Now we have to assume 0.4 meter freeboard. So capital H total height is 4.2 meter. So for the M25 concrete and Fe415 grade of steel, sigma CBC is 8.5 Newton per mm square and sigma ST is 130 Newton per mm square. Okay, here is sigma ST is depend on the Fe415 grade of concrete and sigma CBC is depend on the concrete grade. We can find it from the IS 3370. We can find this in the IS part number 2. IS 3370 part number 2 table number 2nd. I will explain it all the details how to find a sigma CBC. Now we have a value K. K is equal to M sigma CBC 11.85 11 into 85 into 30. So 0.418. 0.418. Now we are going to design for the cantilever action. First thing, here is the wall is rigid. Connection is rigid. So means 1 meter height is designed as a cantilever and the above is designed as a hoop tension. Design for the hoop tension. So we are going for the design cantilever action means we are going to design bottom 1 meter wall. So height h above base is designed for a cantilever action. So small h is equal to capital H by 3 or 1 meter. Capital H by 3 is 1.4. So cantilever moment we take as 1.4. Maximum in between this we will take, if this value is 1.4 or I can say their value be 0.9, that time we take 1 meter, right? Maximum value in between this two values. Now we have to calculate cantilever moment. So cantilever moment is calculated by m 1/2 gamma w into capital H. Capital H means total height multiplied by small h. So into h by 3. H by 3 means the center of the force. So 1/2 into 9.8 into 4.2, 1.4, 1.4 by 3. So 13.45 kilonewton into meter. Right? So we have the moment here. Now we have an equation is m is equal to 1/2 sigma CBC KJBD square. Here is a sigma CBC is a simple Q equation. 1/2 sigma CBC K into J. It's a Q equation. So this equation is Q into BD square. I divided it in this form. I write it in this form. Okay. So m is equal to 13.45. We find it. Okay. 1/2 sigma CBC 8.5, 0.4, 0.418, 0.861, 1000 into d square. So after calculate all the data, we can find the d value is 93.77 meter for balance condition. 93.77 meter for the balance condition. So what we do, we keep the section sufficiently under reinforced. Means we are going to increase the thickness. How much? 4/3 of total thickness. So it's 125. So I provide the depth is 130 mm. So total thickness is 180 mm. 50 mm is cover. 50 mm is clear cover. So 130 plus 50 is equal to 180. So by this thickness we are going to design reinforcement. So AST m upon sigma j into d. M we have sigma st is equal to 130, j is 0.861, d is equal to 130. So 925 mm square. So we provided 10 mm dia at 80 mm center to center in a vertical direction up to 1.4 meter height. Up to 1.4 meter height. Okay. Now we are going to design the section for the hoop action. So maximum hoop tension occurs at capital H minus small h depth. Means at the top portion. At the top portion. So T gamma W capital H minus small h into d by 2, 9.8, 4.2, 1.4, 4 by 2. So 54.88. So AST is equal to T divided by sigma AST. After we calculate the value, AST is 422 mm square. So we have to provide a 10 mm dia at 180 mm center to center. Now we have to check for the sigma CT. T divided by AG plus M minus 1 into AST. We can find out the value of sigma CT from the IS code. Right? From the IS 3370. So from this IS code we can find out sigma CT value is 1.3 for the 25 mm grade. But we got a value by a calculation. Sigma CT is 0.295. So design is okay. So design is okay. Now we are going to design minimum steel in a vertical direction. Minimum steel in a vertical direction. So minimum steel required is 0.4 by 100, 1000 into 180. So 432 mm square. So vertical steel cantilever action serve this purpose also. Now we are going to provide base slab. Vertical reinforcement means a simple we are providing the distribution steel. Okay. Now we are going to design a base slab. Base slab is a simple. The base slab may be laid 75 mm thick. Okay. AST 24%, 1000, 100 into 1000 into 75. So 180 mm square. So provided thickness 150 mm, nominal reinforcement 8 mm diameter bar at 270 mm center to center in the both direction on the top face. Right? To ensure the rigidity connection. Here. This is important. This is important. To ensure the rigidity connection, provide junction reinforcement to 10 mm diameter at 220 mm center to center. These are the fixed. Okay. These are the assumption. This is rigidity connection. Rigidity connection means we provide this type of reinforcement is called the rigidity connection. This reinforcement is provided for the rigidity connection. Right? So our design is completed. You can draw the sketch here. 1.4, 2.8, 10 mm dia, 160, 10 mm dia, 80, 10 mm dia, 180, 8 mm dia, 270. So our design is completed here. These are the on the ground water tank design is completed. So in the next lecture we will cover underground rectangular water tank. Okay, till then, goodbye and